What you over there doing today?
I was Power Ranger, babes.
The Power Ranger? I am a flamingo.
Huh?
I'm a flamingo.
You what?
I'm a flamingo.
A pilingo?
A flamingo.
Hold on, turn on my phone.
I'm a flamingo. Flamingo.
Oh, you are flamingo?
I'm a bird.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. You look good though.
I'm Blue Ranger. Ah.
Mm. You look good.
Thank you. I like your
You wanna
hair.
play a match or are you busy?
I could play too much with you. I like your hair.
Oh, you do? I bought it today. Thank you so much.
Yes, it fits your face.
Okay. Let's play too much then.
Oh, you got 9 nuggets. Close the door, bitch.
You think I should turn on the ring light or leave it as it is?
Excuse me?
You think I should turn on the ring light or leave it as it is?
I like you like this. You,
Okay, cool.
the wig fall with your face and your lips, so it's kind of just giving me that look. I think short hair fit you.
It does.
Yes.
But I think so too. It looks cute. Hello? Who the fuck this is? I don't know who that is. Um, I don't know what that is. Why you staring at me like that? You looking at me? I'm turning out, girl. I'm growing up.
Yes, I
And you
see.
see too.
I see. I think you're a hot girl a long time.
Really?
Yeah.
I acting up myself the real way now. Because no way I cannot come number one. I got to do something.
I think if you ask your fans and tell them, hey, like Tuesday we're going to go rank.
Me tired I beg them now. Me not beg no more. Me I go upgrade myself. Yeah, me I invest in myself. That me go do.
They're going to start back bleach.
No, me can invest different way. Me not fi bleach. Me can do other things than bleach my skin. It look good. You have enough things out there where you can do and look good enough.
But
That me go do.
you always, but you look good just the way it is right now.
Nothing now really go on for me like that.
Probably you now make it go on, so you have to just step up the thing.
Yeah, so me go step up my thing, world dog. You go see.
Me can show
Step
you
up my
something. I tell
game.
you something. If you stop, make them look upon you as Brittany will just come entertain and make them look upon you as Brittany who want have things in her life too. You understand what I just say?
Well, so me I go upgrade myself then.
No, you're gonna start come over here and you're gonna start give them like you're gonna wake up on Monday with a plan. So your plan is you're going to tell yourself say by end of this month more I want $2 million car. So you're going to look for you're going to come for your goal and you're going to come up here and you're
Me
going to
not
work.
get them the money the way you think me I get, world dog.
Me just say something to you. So if you give yourself 2 months for gain $1 million, you can give yourself 2 months for gain $1 million, and the next month you give yourself a chance to gain $1 million. The strength and the power where you have right now, I think you should definitely reach farther. But
Yeah, me think so too.
and but
Like I know you want me like me think so too. Me think so too.
yeah, me think so.
And that's why me decide say me I go upgrade myself.
You see me?
Because if they not see me I have to go upgrade myself.
Yeah. And you know have to do Brit, you know have to even do things to upgrade yourself for people see. Just do things to upgrade so you can gain off of it. If you understand what me I try to say, you see me?
Yeah, but anyway, me say me I go upgrade myself. Me have to gain something from it. So that
Okay.
me say me I go do. upgrade myself, invest in yourself, invest in you, like invest in yourself like you're the business. You know, like how some people have business.
Yeah.
You like you yourself and make yourself the money. So you
Yeah.
invest in you and it works.
Brit, me feel like the way the people them love them, me feel like you have to set up a time phrase where you come live. Like you need to say, all right, then I come live this time for 2 hours, this time for 4 hours, this time. Brit, you have 10,000 people sit down for your match, for your live. I'm like me, I watch. You have 10,000 people sit down. If 10,000 people them send you $1, that's $10,000.
That's
If
not $10,000.
how much that?
Not
Eh?
$10,000.
How much money?
And I that me think me get about $1,000 or so. How much?
Oh, I'm saying, if you have a cash app and 10,000 people send you $1,
No,
that's
me not have
10,000.
cash up. Remember some me there Jamaica when me a do
No, but
cash
that's
up. You want to lock me up? After me no want to lock me up. Hey, me run from them. So
no.
me not then snap on my phone. Me no want no snap on my phone for the what. Yeah, one way I go, yeah, man. Me no deal with them up there. Only thing me have a PayPal. PayPal alone. Me no use no other app. No?
Me think you can do it. I mean, I discourage you and say you can't do it. Me think the power what you have, and me think the people them love you. Me think you can do it. Cause my people them love me and my people them now left me Brit. Me I tell you so me
That's
think
true,
oh, you
otherwise.
have. Eh?
For real, man, the people them up there with you. The
No, me
people
I
them
tell
over them, man.
you with me Brit, and your people them love you, but you love your Brit. Brit, actually, probably now come with no goals towards the people them, bro. Brit, if you tell the people them, say, hey, because to me, if people them love you till they don't want you go road, or go up on the road, so here what go on. See, I make them know, say, you know, say, people, me I beg you no please, me can't come too ranking. Brit,
Me not beg them. Me
see
not
ya,
get no
don't
final
go
word
for
dog. Me
one
happy
right,
for them.
you got your blood clot, Nick. What you say, babes?
Me say I'm a good man. One day they be sorry for me one night time them. They not ready yet. Them a go and watch me first. When they go and watch me then. Me I watch them, them a watch me. They soon come out, man. Them a go come out. Them a go come out
Brit,
till
you want to buy a car? You want get an apartment?
yeah, well, yeah, but like back in that day, me not go pressure nobody if you say yo do it
Set
for
an
me, you know?
official match. You want me get your official match with a Yankee?
And I ready for match yet, world dog.
Oh God, but Brit, Brit, you don't believe in your people, them dog.
Me believe in them, but remember say my people them come from Jamaica, them a too have no money like a me.
No,
So me
Brit,
have to understand for them.
when
And
me
me and
walk,
them, you know.
Brit, every store me walk in a foreign right now, hear what everybody said to me. Watch Brit husband. Every store in America,
Yeah, like everywhere
Brit,
I
you are
go,
big
they
in America.
say,
Don't do that.
watch where dog wife. Yeah, that's what they say to me too.
Every Brit, me go buy patty. Me go buy rice. Watch Brit husband. Me love you, Britty man. Everywhere me go,
Eh,
Brit husband. Me I tell you, Brit, you're big in a foreign. What you talk about?
I didn't know that.
Right now, people rather listen to you right now more than music.
Well, sometimes like no people like say we together for you, you know. Then do like